shorties on the dome and I need her. I've been on the road but I'm fiending. I don't got the time but I need it. Damn, I'm so fly but I need you. Then I'm a man and I'm fiending. I push you out further like you out button, but then I keep coming back. Then I keep coming back. Then I keep coming back.
She got me like it.
But then I keep coming back. To you, yeah. I can give you diamonds and gold, babe. None of that will do, babe. You deserve higher than the moon, eh. But I think I'm losing.
Okay, so I'm back to feature one of the products that I really like so much. And it is very instrumental in creating an organized space. It's these storage items here that are very handy. They actually pull out, push it back in. They have little hooks on the side, so that also is great when you want to hang things. For example, I have this little mask here and I decided to hang it. So yes, all in all, these came in handy. I might grab a couple more of them. And when you want to reach something in the back, I mean, you just simply pull it out. So I really like that. So this, I would have to say, is a great product. I'll definitely buy it again, and I rate it at a 5-star if there are 5 stars available. I've also used them for this other section of cabinet, my man stuff. He actually likes it like it as well. He's gonna work to start filling it up with all of his things as we continue to move into the house. So yeah, all in all, that product is a plus, and I definitely buy it. I recommend you buy it, and I am going to post a link below in the YouTube video in the description area. So if you like it too, maybe give it a try and use that link there. I appreciate it. I appreciate you watching this video. Until next time, bye.